First, you must switch on the CRO. You must wait for a while for the cathode to heat up until a dot appears on the screen. And then you must adjust the brightness or the intensity of the CRO. You must not make it too bright or it will not be focused, or not too dim, so that it will not appear just nice. First, you must switch, and then you must switch on the. After that, switch. Then you must turn on the time base until you get a horizontal line. You align it using the X and Y gain. After you have got it horizontally on the X line, switch it off, switch the time base, and then you switch on Y gain. After you have got that, you see that, switch it off. Then you switch on the line. Then you have to see the frequency. After this, you get this kind of wave. You must adjust the frequency of the CRO so that it becomes stationary. Here, like this. For it to stabilize, for you to be able to get readings from it, you must adjust it using the Y and the X gain. This is the ideal graph. This is the ideal shape for you to get the calculation for the frequency. For example, now it is at 1 Hz. If I change the frequency, then the number of waves increases per unit. That's what you get from a sine wave. If you change the waveform to a square wave, you receive this kind of shape. This is because there is a capacitor inside that stores it and releases it into a line shape. That's all.